Get ready, friends. These are the newest and best accessories and devices for your vehicle. BAYU Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit. Could your automobile travels be a bit more efficient? Ever wish? Your one-stop wireless solution for all car-related demands might be the Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit. This fantastic package provides an entire set of tools rather than just one. A wireless vehicle vacuum with various nozzles, a phone charger, an inflator pump, a high-pressure car wash gun, and even portable illumination. You may thus easily clean, inflate, stroll, and more. Furthermore, don't worry about the kit wearing out. It's composed of premium materials meant to last. Thus, it's a wise investment for the future of your automobile. HUDWAY Drive. This head-up display gets all the required information and offers the hippest approach to keep your eyes on the road. Working with all of your preferred navigation applications, the display links to your phone via Bluetooth. Furthermore, this device provides all of your fast alerts and SMS without endangering your security. You could even pick hands-free phone calls. The device fits any automobile interior exactly thanks to the current design, and installation takes only a few seconds. A few very unique add-ons are also the side view and rear view cameras with an ultra-wide lens combined with a tough waterproof shell and a night vision cam, allowing you nearly like daytime vision in the dark. RaceBox Meter Box. Do you realize the possibilities of your car? The RaceBox Meter Box precisely records important performance measurements like 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration and quarter-mile timings. Whether you are merely going to work or racing on the track, the lap timer function offers glanceable information, not only in your automobile but in any vehicle you ride. The drag meter aids in tracking your braking and speed performance, depending on your demand, alternate distance from speed modes. OBDeleven. OBDeleven is the gadget I'm about to show you that will improve your understanding of your automobile. Simply plug it in, and Bluetooth's power combined with an easy Android app will provide a plethora of information on the state and performance of your car. The gadget connects to the OBD2 port of your automobile, therefore allowing a complete suite of system diagnostics. You may also program and track your car to make sure you keep ahead of any possible problems. Dropracks roof racks. Ever struggled to fit anything on the roof of your car? One interesting remedy is the Dropracks roof rack. This clever device lowers the loading area to waist level. That's right, stretching and straining are over here. Your goods may then be raised back up top using a basic winch system. Customizable roof bars allow one to be flexible in a variety of professional or leisure activities. Up to 175 pounds, this robust rack can withstand the toughest of conditions. Robot car vacuum. Let Miss Accuracy deliver the Oscar to her and present a robot auto vacuum to clean all that trash. Though little, it shows great suction strength. The battery has enough for 20 minutes of continuous cleaning. Also, there's a useful blow nozzle for those difficult corners and to blast any sand you find away. Shy Velvet Car Tent. Are you really looking after your car? Attaching to your parked car, this car tent shields it from dust and weather damage. What's interesting? In hot weather, the car umbrella also helps to keep your car cooler, therefore lowering dangerous emissions and possible health risks from a heated inside. The attachment comprises a silver-coated PU material that can chill the inside by up to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, safe rubber suction cups, an anti-theft steel wire rope. Yakima Road Shower. Though right now both of us need a shower, the ride was fantastic. Introducing your new preferred journey friend, the Yaka Road Shower. This portable pressurized water storage fits well on your car, so you may always freshen yourself. It runs on solar power, hence while you're gone exploring it, warms your 4 gallons of water for that well-earned warm shower or bike cleaning. Gear up for your next trip and keep fresh. It's strong, simple to refill, and easy to use. Hammock trailer hitch stand. Easily mounted on the rear of your pickup or RV, these hammocks, better still, chairs, can be once set up. You may enjoy the view and relax either fishing or by snoozing. Like you extending your legs? Remember to pack the hammock. Small enough to fit into a bag no more than a water bottle. Your trunk's capacity won't be substantially affected by it. Tracky GPS tracker. Though none of us are totally safe from auto theft, Tracky will help you at least find your car. All you have to do is hang it under your car by use of a magnetic casing. Now you may track infinite distance real-time on 4G LTE and tri-band with globe coverage. Rechargeable batteries offer either 30 to 75 days in battery save mode or up to 5 days of real-time tracking. For even more peace of mind in any circumstance, you may even keep the gadget in your handbag or the backpack of your child. Frubble Camper Kit. Prepare your Tesla for camping. For owners of the Tesla Model Y who enjoy being outside, the whole FAL camper package changes everything. The 31-piece easy-to-assemble assemble kit includes rear hatch functional utility drawers. They can run a camp kitchen. Even with the back seats up, keep in mind your options include storage, a pop-up sink, and an induction or gas stove. Fold down the rear seats, attach the drawers on top of the kit, and voila, time to camp. Your Model Y transforms into a comfortable sleeping refuge. The package also guarantees your ability to keep using the lower rear trunk space for storage. Norshire Mini Tire Inflator. This is what is happening. Meet the tiniest yet most powerful tire inflator you will ever come across, the Northshire Mini. In just a few minutes, this little tool can inflate your tires. Though tiny, it packs a punch with a strong engine delivering 56 watts of power and 40 pounds of torque and pumps 2 to 4 gallons of air each minute. It's rather clever too, terminating automatically when the pressure reaches the target level and running just a tiny amount of standby power. Just 4 touch controls make the inflating process easily operated upon on its OLED display. Joytudis eating tray. You're on your way to work, although there seems to be a significant issue to address. Not too bad. Most steering wheels accommodate this organizer, which also gives enough room for your laptop, workplace essentials, and maybe a snack. Change the ideal posture and use those pockets to stop Coke spills. The cherry on top here is the identical method may be done in the rear seat. IQ Air Atom Car Air Purifier. Use the IQ Air Atom's personal air purifier to surround yourself with clean air. The gadget uses sensors built in response to your touch to either switch on or off or vary fan speed. Unlike conventional air cleaners, Atoms creates clean air just wherever you put it. HUDWAY trash can. Where to keep all the trash is one of the most important issues one has during long-distance driving with multiple passengers. You may therefore fasten this garbage bag to the front or rear headrest or the central console. You now only insert the garbage bag, fasten it with buckles, and have a 2-gallon trash bag. You know what's awesome? Your wet umbrellas might be carried in this bag actually. Sure, it is waterproof. It may even be a multi-purpose storage bag, keeping your toys, drinks, and other items orderly. Turbo air freshener. Alright, how do I get that French fries smell gone? Just click this turbo air freshener towards the air vent. Remember to include the scent filling. Look, it starts to spin and smells rather nicely. UHomey 12-volt refrigerator. Perfect. Oh, you intend a road trip? Let not your food go bad. Here come the UHomey 12-volt refrigerator to save the day. Its big 9G capacity in dual storage compartments allows you to accommodate all of your liquids and food. For quick chilling a cold beverage needed right away, flick the Eco to max mode switch. Once your thirst has been sated, plop your drink into the cup holder and resume your journey. And relax about electricity. It only utilizes what your auto navigation consumes. Ooh, no co-driver. Always a great thing is extra safety on the road. Your reasonably priced and user-friendly friend that keeps you informed on road dangers and speed cameras in real time might be the Ono C driver. Just keep your phone with you, get going, and the gadget turns on by itself. There's no need to play around with applications. It's like having a trustworthy co-pilot providing audio and visual cues to keep conscious free from distractions. By the way, just click a camera you come across on your route even if the gadget does not alert you. Furthermore, click the Ono C driver twice to alert other drivers should there be a hazard on the road. BAYU dog car seat. Want to go on a pleasure trip with your pet friend? This clever dog car seat keeps your ride hair-free while improving your pet's perspective and thus reduces their driving anxiety. Easy to assemble and install, it fits dogs under 8 pounds or cats under 11 pounds. It may also function as a pet sling carrier or purse, by the way. The seat is robust enough to hold your pet firmly and completely waterproof and easy to clean. The seat stays steady along the trip thanks to the substantial foam cushioning and changeable bungee rope.